Section 7.5 is on trig equations, and we need to be careful because sometimes they're going to ask for the final answer to be in degrees, like it is here, and sometimes they'll be asking for it in radians, and they would say 0 to 2 pi if it were radians. Also, this is between 0 and 360, meaning it's the first revolution, so we're not considering negative angles, and we're not considering angles that are bigger than 360. So just on the unit circle. So trig equations are very much like other equations. We need to solve for the variable. Here I'm solving for the sine of theta. So I need to subtract 1 from both sides, then divide by 2. So now I need to look at the unit circle, and where is sine equal to negative 1/2? And you'll remember that sine is the y value. So where do we have a y value of negative 1/2? Well, that would be here, because we have negative 1/2, and that would be here. So my answers are 210 degrees and 330 degrees. Now, you can always check these by plugging them back into the calculator. So, if you do sine of 210, it should give you negative 0.5. And sine of 330 is also negative 0.5. Make sure that your calculator is in the correct mode. But again, you can check these.